Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty. I am back in Sonoma Verde today, out in Rockwall, checking up on this stunning house for our clients. This is plan 3714W, which is also the amount of square footage in this plan. And the biggest thing to show y'all is landscaping. So let's go take a look at this stunning house. All right, y'all. So the biggest thing to show you today is the landscaping. So I'm gonna spend the most time out front today. So on the inside, they're doing kind of some last minute touch-ups. So they create a list of everything they're working on, and then they just go around, do like paint jobs, little things that need to be fixed up last minute. But so here is the exterior of your house. It's looking really nice, just about moving ready. You have some plants out front, then you have a couple trees. They have also finished the fence back there, which looks nice. I love the color of that fence. So you have some privacy now. So that is looking great. So let's go take a look. I am so excited for y'all. I know it's gonna be so soon when you can move in. Your house is looking really nice. I just walked through it to kind of see what's going on. And now they have the garage cleaned out, so I'm gonna give you a better look at this space. So here is where you have the 2-car right here. And then over here to the right is the 3rd bay. And then the 4th is the tandem back here in the middle. So there's a better look at that space. And then I will take you in through the front. Alright, here's a better look at your landscaping up here. So those little guys are gonna be growing pretty soon, look really nice. Alright, so here you go. So we will start in the office up front. You have great natural light. I love these big windows right here. And so they are sealing up the crack between the baseboard and the floor right now. So I will show you in the formal dining where they've done that. So if you can see down at the bottom right here. So they seal up those fine edges, and then you can tell where they haven't done. Just kind of something fun to notice. It's like up here how it looks. It's kind of a little before and after, so that's fun. All right, and then all of these little tape marks is where they're gonna come through and touch up. So you'll see little paint scuffs. So they are getting this house moving ready for y'all. Here is the bathroom. So the toilet will go back in its place pretty soon. So that's something else on their list. And then one of the bedrooms, not a whole lot to see yet. Then here's another bedroom. So again, not a whole lot to see from the last video. Today's gonna be a little bit faster. But looking great. They did get the back door fixed, so that's awesome. I'll give you a look at the laundry in here. A nice space. And then you have the powder bath right here. So look at the light fixtures in here. I don't know if I pointed those out before. Then you have your thermostat right here on the wall. I love the high ceilings in here. This is such a nice floor plan. Then the master bedroom. Sorry, you can hear the smoke detectors going off, chirping. All right, and I love your master bathroom. So pretty. You have these windows for some privacy. You can kind of see the blurred out lines of where the fence is. So this is your backyard, which is very nice. But then you still have that fogged up glass so no one's peeking through. Quick look at the closet. You have the other closet over here. Looks like they're getting ready to put the bars in for your hanging things. And then your shower, which is very nice, steps down right here. And then you have the bench. This one is the water closet. All right. And we will head across the way to the other bedroom and bathroom over here. And here's a look at your backyard. So you back up to that really pretty green space. I love all the colors back here. And then you have the open fence back here so you can actually see the green space behind you, which is very nice. All right, so here's a better look at this bedroom over here. And here is the bathroom with the full shower. And then you do have another one of those thermostats on this side too. Take a look at the kitchen. So this is your dining area. Lots of windows, and then the kind of multi-purpose media game room over here. So you have some windows, which I love having windows in a media room. And then you have the French doors. And here is your big kitchen, great for entertaining. Big island in the middle. So you'll see some little things like they're gonna paint this cabinet door right here. But those are things that they're working on right now. If you look at the double ovens, and you have your microwave. This is where the fridge will be. I love this backsplash, really pretty. And you have a little butler's pantry area right here. And that goes back out to your formal dining. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. This house is stunning. I love this floor plan so much. Perry is an awesome builder and doing a great job. And if you are watching this, wanting to buy or build, I would love the opportunity to help you. So click the link below, reach out to me, and until then, y'all stay blessed.